I would like to explain all the realities behind entrepreneurship against expectations from an aspiring entrepreneur's perspective. Entrepreneurship is a journey of a startup started by a person or a bunch of people, and how they take it to make it a profitable business with time, winning over all the hurdles that come throughout this journey. You try it, you fail, you again try it, but you need to take the decisions in between the journey, which may be right for you or which may be wrong for you, but you need to move on. There are many expectations of an aspiring entrepreneur, but I'm covering only the most important ones which are much useful while doing the journey. So let's move on to expectation number 1. So पहला पॉजिटिव थॉट जो हर एस्पायरिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर के मन में आता है वो है, I can pursue entrepreneurship and my family, friends and my loved ones and everyone would be proud of me doing the same. Let me clear you the reality. So you need to be very sure if you want to start the entrepreneurship career or not. So the reality is that you need to convince yourself first, then your family and friends after that. So next question जो normal aspiring entrepreneurs के मन में आता है कि यार I will be my own boss. I am fed up of my work till now. रोजाना के काम से मैं थक चुका हूँ. So I will be my own boss. I will never have to ask anyone for my holidays and in leaves. So let me clear right away this thing for you. You will be working much harder than you have ever worked in your life till now. For the first several months or even years, your business won't generate significant revenues and you will have to live on the edge. And in return, your personal life, relationships, health, or finances will all be hit hard. But in the end, everything would be fine if you are working persistently towards the goal that you have decided to achieve. You will be your own boss if and only if your company turns profitable and you have automated all the things inside the company. In the expectation number 3, the journey of entrepreneurship will be smooth and as I have the best idea to pursue. Idea is only and only 1%. Idea is only and 1%. Right execution is 99%. Execution is the difference between success and failure, and it is the number one hurdle for most of the new entrepreneurs. So new age entrepreneurs, I will be more specific about that. You need to have a solid game plan, and you need to have all the answers for the questions like how do you approach the investors, how do you market your product, how do you find the right kind of team, how do you deal with the government compliances. All these questions you need to have the answers first. You need to have the right kind of mentors from your industry itself. So each and every entrepreneur thinks that his or her idea is the best in the whole world. There is nothing wrong with believing this, but you need to check out your competitors, or you need to find the right execution plan, how to achieve what you have thought till now. You need to be prepared, and you need to have backup plans. I would say clearly, you need to be ready with backups of the backup plans also to ensure your success in the entrepreneurship journey. So let's move on to the expectation number 4. So an aspiring entrepreneur always thought ki this idea is different. I am doing something unique, and I will disrupt this industry, and investors will gonna love me, and they will be like my friends, okay, and they will be by my side always. The real truth is that any relationship involving money is inherently fragile. Also, it's very important to develop a strong relationship with your investors, but they would love to see your business grow like they expected when they put their money into a venture. Investors don't see the idea of what you are doing, but actually they invest in people who are going to pursue this idea, who are going to work for this. That is you and specifically your team. People think they will easily find co-founders for their startup. So finding a right co-founder who believes in the same vision as you is the next impossible thing, what I think. But you need to find your co-founders who complement your skill sets.